Assalamu alaikum, my brothers and sisters. This is another verse from the Quranic Reflections series, and it is from Surah Al-Baqarah. فَلَا تَمُوتُنَّ إِلَّا وَأَنْتُمْ مُسْلِمُونَ. Do not die except as Muslims. This is verse 132. This verse addresses the fact that salvation is only through Islam. The very first point of reflection is that we should never forget our impending death. There are reminders around us when we go to sleep every day. Every time we go to sleep, we don't know that we'll awaken. That's death. The Prophet ﷺ even called it the sister of death. In the news, people are dying every minute. Calamities are occurring somewhere on the earth daily. We have no idea when our time will come. Knowing that, then we need to make sense of this life and be on the right track, because we never know when our time will come. The second point of reflection is that we should strive our utmost to ensure that our Islamic duties are properly and regularly done, that our lives are truly Muslim lives in submission to Allah's will, and not merely ritual Muslim lives, cultural Muslim lives, just doing what everybody else around us is doing. The third point of reflection is that the only way that we can ensure that we die as Muslims is to never give up practicing the religion. Never take a break from Islam. There is no holiday from Islam. There are breaks when we need breaks. There are holidays when we can take holidays, but not holidays from Islam. So even in our break time, Islam should still be present. Even in our holiday time, Islam should still be present. Barakallahu feekum. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.